Let's begin the installation with the front mounting point. For this, we use a 5mm Allen key and a 12mm socket. Loosen the bolts as shown in the video. Pay close attention to the original spacers we are removing. These should be kept, as they will be reused with the stainless steel front mount. Next, we install the stainless steel bracket number 195. We use two M8 bolts and two M8 lock nuts. Tighten using two 13mm spanners. Using a torque wrench, tighten according to the motorcycle manufacturer's recommended torque. Now we move to the left-hand side of the motorcycle. Start by removing the seat and the side panels. Use a Torx T40 for the first fixing point. Then a Torx T30 for the second and third points. And a 4mm Allen key for the final bolt before removing the panel. Remove the plastic panel. Next, loosen the fixings for the following panel. Use a 5mm Allen key for the first bolt, and a Torx T30 to remove the plastic clip. Remove this panel as well. The next step is to remove 3 bolts using a Torx T30. Then, remove 2 more bolts using a 6mm Allen key. Use a 10mm socket to loosen the upper mounting point of the sump guard. We can now install the first half of the crash bar. Start by fixing the first point with an M660 bolt. Then use 2 M825 bolts. Secure the crash bar to the front mount using an M616 bolt and a nut, and lightly tighten all fixing points. Now move to the right-hand side of the motorcycle and repeat the same process to install the second half of the crash bar. Fix the first point using an M660 bolt, and use 2 M825 bolts. Join it to the front mount using an M616 bolt and an M6 nut. Now install the M616 joining bolts in the areas where both halves of the crash bar connect. Adjust the 4 bolts using a 5mm Allen key. check all remaining mounting points. Using a torque wrench, tighten the joining bolts to 5.1 Newton meters. Finally, tighten all mounting points to the motorcycle manufacturer's recommended torque. To finish, reinstall all the plastic panels and refit the seat. The CrossPro Crash Bar installation is now complete.